Henry Ford once said, "Stopping advertising to save money is like stopping your watch to save time." And let me tell you, that couldn't be more true in today's world of business. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 smart advertising strategies for succeeding as an Amazon seller. Trust me, the quality of your product information and pages can make a huge difference in your advertising performance and sales. So before you launch your first sponsored ad campaign, make sure to check out these tips. Now let's get started. When you're writing the title of your product, think of it like making a first impression. How do you present yourself when you go out for your first date? Pretty tip top, right? You don't want to take any chances. Similarly, this title that you're creating will show up in big letters on your product page and in ads. So it's important to make it catchy and easy to read. It should be around 60 characters long. Include important informations like the brand name, the product line, what it's made of, or a special feature it has, what kind of a product it is, the size, and the color. These details in the title will help potential customers quickly learn about your product and will prompt them to click on the ad to learn more. Include multiple bullet points on your product page. When someone clicks on your ad and goes to the product page, you want to make sure they have all the information they need to make a decision. One way to do that is by adding few bullet points that give a quick overview of your product's main features. Some things to be considered are what's inside the package, the usage and the size, the dimensions, any special instructions or things to be kept in mind while using, what age group it's meant for, how to use the product, making of the product, and so on. Now, other tips to keep in mind when writing your bullet points: try to make them stand out by starting with a capital letter and format them like a sentence, fragment without end punctuation. Repeat important information from your title and the description if necessary, but avoid including any information about pricing or promotion. Craft a helpful, detailed product description. When you're writing a description for your product on a website, it's important to give more information than just the bullet points. You can talk about how it can be helpful or it can be useful, why it's a good value. It's best practice to always write a description for your product. Think of it like a short story. Use complete sentences, make sure the spelling and the grammar is correct. Be clear and informative, but also make it sound like it's coming from your brand. Having a well-written, engaging description can make the shopping experience better and increases the chance of conversion. Feature high-quality and zoomable product images. Yes, high-quality images are important in helping potential customers see what a product looks like and how it can be used. People often prefer to see pictures before making a purchase. So having clear and detailed images can help increases the chances of your conversion. It's important to ensure we have at least 4 pictures of your product taken from different angles, showing important parts and how it can be used for. Make sure your pictures are clear and have a plain white background, so the picture is the main focus here. Also, make sure your pictures are at least 1000 pixels in height or width. When you're listing your product, think of it as telling a story about your brand and about your product. Your brand story matters. People often look at the pictures first and then the title to decide if they want to buy it. So it's important to show them why they should buy your product, and one way is to have a proper brand story. With that, we have come to a conclusion to today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Thank you.